Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the all-new Harris Pontoon 230 Sunliner. This 230 Sunliner is considered to be our single lounger layout. Has a nice lounger here in back, integrated cup holders. The backrest here flips forward or backwards, so you can sit facing the front or the aft. You can legally sit back here due to there being a gate back here. It's a nice big lounger. It's powered by a 115 horsepower Mercury engine. Under this compartment here is just a extra storage. You could either put a dressing room in there. It's a nice place to put a small cooler out of the way. Here at the helm, we have a Fusion radio head. All your switches for your docking lights, master power, tax, hour meter, depth finder, and all that. Again, this is a 23-foot boat and it seats 12. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat or one of our other boats here in stock today.